haul from an online retailer called Hey Chickadee. I always feel like I mispronounce that at some point or another when I say it too fast. Basically an online retailer with a whole bunch of like Pusheen and super cutesy stationery, plush, apparel, that type of thing. So I love everything I got from this site, and it isn't the first time I purchased things from them. My only issue with them is their prices, but I'm gonna rant about that at the end of this video. I just want to get into the actual haul full of goodies. I picked up one of their mouse pads. So this has a variety of different Pusheen animals around a watering hole. I think it's really cute. It's not the first time I picked up Pusheen mouse pads from them. I do think they have a tendency to get dirty very quickly. I don't know if that's just me or what. Last time someone left a comment saying like, oh, you can actually wash them, which I did, but it wasn't able to really restore it back to its original form, unfortunately. But I did pick up one more because I plan on doing a desk tour of my desk all the way in the back there pretty soon, so I picked this up. Next, I picked up some Pusheen hoop earrings. I thought these were adorable. You just have the outline of Pusheen right in the middle. They're very cute. I don't tend to pick up a lot of costume jewelry just because I know that it eventually either starts getting rusty or it leaves my skin green sometimes, mostly with earrings. Mostly with earrings though, so I did pick this up. Because Halloween is right around the corner, I picked up two really cute necklaces. The first one is Witch Pusheen and a Cauldron necklace. So this one does kind of slightly glow in the dark a little bit. They are kind of statement necklaces since they are a little bit big. The next one's my favorite, and it is the Witch Pusheen necklace. So it's Pusheen riding a broom. And I thought these were adorable. Perfect for the season. Halloween is almost here, and it is my favorite holiday ever. So I'm definitely going to use these as much as possible. The next two items are the most expensive in this haul, and they are the apparel items. So I got the Sailor Collar Pusheen cardigan. It is super cute. The quality is really nice. It's soft. It's amazing. I did get a small. I should have gotten a medium only because I fluctuate in size so much. It's really annoying, but I do absolutely love it. And the second item that I picked up is this very fluffy, long-sleeved fleece sweater dress. This is like something that's perfect for really cold weather. I would not bother to wear it like in 60-degree or like 50-degree weather just because I overheat very easily. It's so weird. I can't stand being that way, but I know I would overheat with this because it is so incredibly warm, so I probably would only wear it on a really cold day. But I absolutely love it. These are both really soft and nice material. So the last two items are actually stationery, and they came in this cardboard box so that they wouldn't fold or get damaged. I picked up two cards. I wanted to get more, but I'll explain why I didn't in a second. So I got an I Love My Dad card. They do have an I Love My Mom one too for Mother's Day, but it was sold out. These are super cute. I am someone who likes to have cards for every single occasion. So if it's someone's birthday, if someone doesn't feel well, if I want to write a thank you card, I like having different types at all times. Like I have their Pusheen Christmas cards, which I don't know if they're bringing them back or not, but I do have them as well from last year. The next one is a Feel Better Soon card. Again, super cute. I love the envelopes on both of these. There's just such a nice attention to detail with these, and I can't seem to find them anywhere other than this website. So overall, I loved every single thing in this haul. My issue with this website is that there's never any sales. Like, yes, occasionally things are discounted, but I'm talking about like an actual like, oh, here's 10% off, here's 15% off. Heck, Black Friday, maybe even throw a 20 or 30% off here. So Editing Janie is here to say that a couple days after I filmed this video, which was filmed early October, Hey Chickadee actually released a coupon code for 25% off of their Halloween items. So ironic, go figure, they never do that, but keep that in mind as I continue to rant about this. And I guess some can say like, oh, it's a small company, blah blah blah, but this whole haul was $177.40, and I still had to pay $10 in shipping. I feel like there should be a thing, like if you spend over $100, here's some free shipping, something like that. And yes, I guess it's a small company, sort of. They're pretty popular on like Instagram and Twitter and certain parts of YouTube, and they do send out occasional PR to YouTubers. So I feel like if you can send PR like that, then you might as well give the YouTubers that you're sending all this PR to, when you know they're only going to show it once or twice, side note, as well give them an affiliate code so that the viewers can get at least, again, 10% off, which is practically nothing anyway. I don't know, it's just like they tell you like, oh, follow our newsletter for like sales and like discounts and stuff, and it's like nothing. Like usually you get like 10% off when you sign up for a mailing list or whatever. Otherwise they start spamming you with a whole bunch of new items here, new releases, all this stuff. So I do love all of this. I wish it was a little bit cheaper, or just like a coupon code, throw it in there, you know. And I'm someone who like likes to spend a lot of money, and I didn't actually buy all this, and I still feel like this. My boyfriend bought me this stuff. He was very generous, and he got this for me as a Christmas gift, as a very early Christmas gift. Anyway, we made it through my rant here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon with another video.